Say hi.
Hi.
Wow. We went back to the zoo and we got to do many things now. This is part 2. Part 1 is about the Skyride. Now part 2 that we did several things at the zoo. Like he got to go on a merry-go-round and you got to see the birds, the parakeet, and you got to ride the tram to go to Skyride. And what else did you do? Yeah, and we rode the train. We rode the train. We had so much fun at the Kansas Zoo. It was beautiful, 70 degree blue sky. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Say, here we go. Very good. You want me to help you fix it?
Yeah.
You want to hold that? Okay, ready? Got it? Yep.
For the birds.
Look, Xander. Hey, you want to say hi to the... Look. You want to say hi? Look. No, go pat. Go pat, okay?
Yeah, they like to do that. Okay, birdie. You gotta get off. Come on, birdie.
You got all 4 birds.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they really like you. They like to play with your hair.
I got the food. Yeah,
You got 5 of them.
They do like his hair.
Ready? You have to hold it. Ready? Look at that. Look at that. How about that? Nice. The bird is hungry. You got fun. Come over here. You got fun. Look at the birds. Don't do that. You have to hold up. Don't do that. Okay. Big mouth. You got 2 birds. Yeah, beautiful. There's the train. Say bye-bye, train. That's the red train. Yay! You want to ring the bell? You can pull the train. Pull the train hard. Harder. You like to ring the bell. And we're going to go through the tunnel. You hear that? What the lady said. Yeah, and the lady said, all aboard. Are you ready? We're going to go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. under the tree. You take that now. And that's a penguin over there. You go down. Ready? You go up. How come you're taller than me? And you shorter than me? And you taller than me? You go down. And then you get up. And you go down. Can you say hi, polar bear? Wave at polar bear.